bright red Martian dust swirling violently. Rockets evacuating in panic as the storm hits. Mark alone in the habitat, staring at a damaged rover. One storm changed everything. The mission was routine until Mars became a prison. Alone, isolated, and running out of time. Survival isn't just science, it's courage against nature's ultimate challenge. Could ingenuity and human will be enough to survive? Or will Mars win? Emergency evacuation, storm clouds rolling over Mars, Mark improvising repairs. Red dust everywhere, faint Earth in the sky.